Participants in this course will be presented with leading-edge thinking around innovation, both in Australia and globally. They'll understand how to experience innovation themselves and also translate that back into their organisation. And they'll be presented with some of the best speakers and the best minds in this country to give us up-to-date contemporary views on innovation, disruption, and how we need to manage that.
Learning experience is brilliant. It was pure, interactive, very different content, something which you use in the corporate. So I really loved every bit of it.
Probably the number one thing that inspired me to create this course is how we're living in a world of disruption, of change, of technology evolution, of uncertainty. And we need to learn how to embrace that and get excited by it, to be able to harness it for the benefit of ourselves, our families, and our organisations.
I love any kind of experience around innovation and teamwork. Here we are collaborating so much and the level of energy is really high.
Innovation can happen anywhere in an organisation, and it's imperative that executives at almost any level are at the forefront of innovative thinking, disruptive thinking, and understanding how to affect change for themselves in their roles, for their teams, and for the organisation overall.
The first line which Jeffrey talked about, saying that you have to disrupt yourself. When you transform yourself, you can transform the company, the culture, the society.